To make stickers in Canva using font, I will go over to create here and I want to scroll to custom design. I want to set the size of my design page and I'll hit on create new design. My design document has opened and I'll come over to elements here and I want to search for good vibes quotes. I would hit on enter. So you want to go over to the graphics here. I'm going to click on say all. You want to select the one that speaks to you. I'm going to select on this text. Let me click on my background. I want to change the color of our background so our sticker pops. Let's make that color a lighter shade of gray. Then I'll click on my text. You want to spread your text out. Let me position this correctly. And you want to come down here and slide and go over to effects. I want to click the effects. I want to click on shadows to give our graphics an outline effect. You want to click on the graphics again. I want to change this color to white. Let me just quickly type it here. FFFF. Once you have that, let's click out. You want to save the size of your white borders. You can take it up to 50. And once you're happy with this, I still want to spread this out. Yes, to meet that white line. And I'll spread this to meet this white line. You want to click on this arrow here and come over to download. It's important you download on a transparent background. And you can also take the pixel size higher and you hit on download.